And the IFTA goes to Frank Deasy, father and son.
To accept the award in honour of the late Frank Deasy, please welcome on stage his wife, Mary Deasy.
Thank you very much. I'm very honoured and very, very proud to be here to accept this award on Frank's behalf, especially in his home city of Dublin. I know that he would like me to thank everyone who was involved with the production. In particular, I'd like to thank Andy Harries, Jane Gogan, Brian Kirk, Michael Casey, Dougray Scott and Stephen Ray. Father and Son was a fantastic piece of television written by a very, very talented man and an extremely unique and wonderful man. Thank you for honouring him.